Hey Transformers, today I want to share with you the importance of electrolytes in the body. A lot of times when I tell people about electrolytes, they think of, oh, when I have diarrhea, I need more electrolytes in the body. Yes, that is true, but the electrolytes are, they're more important than just that. The main electrolytes I'm referring to is potassium, calcium, and magnesium. So these electrolytes are important for muscle contraction and also with calcium for bone growth. So for muscle contraction, it's important to note that our heart is made of muscle fibers. So if you don't have good electrolytes in the body, your muscle will not contract as well, and that includes your heart. So if you don't have enough electrolytes, you may have heart problems. And aside from that, you will feel fatigue, weakness, cramping, which is a common question that people ask me why they are cramping. And not enough electrolytes is one of the main answers there. And also, your bones will not be as strong. Because like I mentioned, calcium is one of the electrolytes that the body needs. So it's important that you have enough electrolytes in your body. And let me share with you a secret also. Having low electrolytes in the body is the main reason why people are snacking or eating a lot. Why do I say that? Because when you feel weak and hungry, first thing that people think of is, hey, my sugar level is down. I have to eat, get my sugar level up, and then I'll be okay. It's actually not the case. It's actually your electrolyte levels are down. And you have to boost that electrolyte level for you to actually not feel weak anymore. When you have good electrolyte levels in the body, you'll be able to resist that urge or avoid having that urge, to snack, or you'll be able to avoid snacking. All right, so that's very important. That's crucial. Now, what foods are rich in electrolytes? My favorite is coconut juice. I like it. It's refreshing. For me, it tastes good. So I always have coconut juice at home. The fresh ones are, even better. So that's a good source of electrolytes. Bananas are good too. And you have spinach, kale, avocado, broccoli, tomatoes, watermelon. Those are good sources of electrolytes. And you can even have peanuts, soybeans, or almonds. So you can choose from any of those, and they will help increase your electrolyte levels in the body. All right. So let me know what you think of this. Let me know how this will impact you. Please share this with other people so they know. A lot of people don't know the importance of the electrolytes and also how it relates to the snacking. So please share this with other people. I would love to hear your comments below. Post your comments there. Or if you have recipes that includes some of these things that I mentioned, I would love to see them. I would love to share them with other people. All right. And also you get the chance to earn some raffle tickets for today. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.